Florida is home to a massive diversity of plant species, but the one that really screams Florida, or the ones I should say, are definitely the palms. There are around 12 species of native palm here in Florida, and only 2 of them are endemic to the state itself. Those are the Miami palm and the scrub palm. Many more than those are super common across the state. These queen palms aren't native, but are very common across the state. But also things like the banana palm, that isn't even a palm. Throwing that word around willy-nilly, are we? Palms are only really native to tropical and subtropical regions of the world. You can see them in other locations, but they don't really thrive there. And in some areas, like where I live, they kind of have to wrap them up so they don't die during the winter. There are around 2,600 species of palms in the world. They're often referred to as palm trees, even though they're technically not trees. They're actually more closely related to grasses than actual trees. Bonkers. This is because they have a single growth point in the center, which means if that is killed, they tend to die. They don't have growth rings either. I'll say it again. They're fantastic for all sorts of other species that inhabit the regions they live. They've co-evolved with each other, so they've learned to live off their fruits, live in their leaves, of all sorts of things to do with those trees. Some, like this one over here, this palm has epiphytic ferns growing on it. Kind of shows what they do. They make the environment that they live in. Their roots help hold in the soil, and the tree itself provides a lot of food and habitat and places for other animals to live.
When it comes to plants, palms are a 10 out of 10.